Welcome back to the NCBacklog. Who needs magnets? What the fuck is that supposed to mean?
So, oh god.
Oh no.
Jump.
No.
So I named my route Divine Gravity because there was one called the Yellow Brick Road.
Okay. I think I kind of get this one now. Let me try. I need magnets.
Oh wait, no, I get it.
You do?
Yeah.
Oh.
That face. So
it's so much more simple than I thought.
Yeah. So oh god. So there was one you called the Yellow Brick Road. So I named it Defying Gravity, and I named
Oh jeez.
Oh my god.
Oh my
they are sadistic
Lord.
bastards. And then I named this. So my friend was trying to do this route, and
he is a ballerina.
So my friend was trying to do my route, and he got to the end, and he was like, "What the fuck is this hole?" So I called it, "What the fuck is this hole? What the fuck is that hole?"
WTF is the hole. Nice.
Okay, one more, and then
one more good one.
one more good one.
I had a story about Harry Potter. That I wanted to say. Oh no, I remember what it was. So you remember how the other day we were just sitting around doing Alan Rickman impressions?
Yes.
Actually, like my friend, one of the girls on my crew, she actually like asked me today, was like if I would be Harry Potter for her sketch that she's doing, and I was like, wow, really?
You gotta.
Yeah, I know. Honestly, I never known how to do that. I've always blind lucked it.
You have to like. It's all about momentum in physics.
Okay. I'm not taking physics right now, bro.
Fuck!
I fucking failed AP Physics. I didn't actually, but that was because my teacher was, well, let's just say that he didn't teach, really.
Okay, I think this is our last video.
Okay. So we're not gonna get this done tonight. We'll have to do another recording session.
I thought we would get it done nice.
Well, I wanted to get it done too, but
yeah. This is the hard part.
The problem is I get to the hard part and then I fuck up immediately because you never let me try it.
Q fucking Q.
You wanna play some knots tonight?
No.
No?
I almost had it.
I kinda wanna play some knots. I wanna get vaccine over here.
Oh no! I didn't see that before! I was paying too much attention to the magnet. I didn't see that it was lower. Fuck.
Oh my god, I think that summarizes up this playthrough in a nutshell, actually. This entire playthrough has been like, you know, we laugh and we joke and sometimes we tell some stories. And then we get really, really close to completing a level, we get really, really quiet.
Yeah.
And then somebody fucks up and we're like, no!
Oh my god,
Lord.
This is even worse.
Oh my god. We had to do this in reverse a couple times, but this is going uphill.
This is even worse.
This is madness.
How?
Jesus fucking Christ.
Oh, I jumped.
Very carefully.
Just...
Oh! You had the idea.
See, the problem is once you get there, it's gonna fuck everything up.
It's like just as you get into your groove, there's a notch in the road.
It's also like thinner there. Your turn.
I saw it. For those of you in the audience, he reached for the mouse. The second I died, he put his hand over the mouse and he's like, no, I can't.
Why is it so hard? What? Oh, that's okay.
Oh, it's not a dent. Okay.
It just looks like it. So all I have to do is focus on my person then.
A little more space here. Oh no.
No! Like the moment
I saw it! Please tell me you didn't do that on purpose to keep the running gag going.
No, like the moment.
Tell me you did not.
No, the moment I pressed my finger too much, I knew that I was gonna hit the stop button. I was like, no!
Lord Almighty. I saw that time. I was like, why aren't you pulling back more?
I tried pulling back, but it was too late. Getting it started is actually really hard.
Yeah. I would assume so. I mean, I tried it a little bit, so getting into that groove is really. Oh.
I wasn't pressing right and left enough.
Oh, you've been manipulating with your arrow keys?
Huh?
Or wait, no, yeah, of course you have. I'm dumb. Because I'm a normal person who plays games with my thumbs and not my two hands. Too much. See, now I have to learn how to do it because you did it 50 times in a row. I never got to do it. Son of a bitch.
And now I'm gonna call you a Scrub Lord Supreme because you keep dying.
You died 50 times in here. Back when we were still being what the fuck at the level, you died here at least 50 times. I'll go back and count it in post. It's probably substantially, considerably less than 50.
It's 20.
But yeah, still somewhere in the impressive range of how many times you've died.
Come on. I'm trying a new strat. That's not
it. Push it up there and then leap into it as it's coming back down. Nice.
I knew it.
A little too much that time.
You want to stop Snake from getting that stone or what?
Wait, what? What's that all about?
Well, I just felt really pissed off at you,
You clicking out of the game. Although to your credit, you're doing it less than you did the first time, where you did it once every 5 seconds. A couple times. It was just so calmly done.
I know.
It was just like you put on the business face, let's get fucking dangerous.
Okay, I guess.
Oh Lord.
Okay, next week on the NC
Yeah,
backlog.
we'll see you next week on the backlog.
Hopefully we'll actually finish this. Maybe. Actually, let's try this.
We break for no one. That's
Oh,
totally,
no,
that's
I
totally
got
what
it.
you're supposed to do.
No, okay. At that point.
Welcome back, by the way. We decided to just do this level, I guess, because this level looks like a lot of fun.
I don't know.
Oh! You just ran right into a wall.
What? What? No!
It's right there! Just hold it.
No, you can't hold it, or else you repel too much. You repel slightly as you approach it.
Oh, okay. Oh, right. You know what this reminds me of? Is the visual of the little electric beam every time it reminds me of watching people leapfrog over each other in gymnastics. Or no, it reminds me of somebody who's vaulting over a bunch of things. Uh-oh. You're probably done because this level's called We Break for No One.
Oh god. I refuse to accept my fate.
Oh my god. You're fucking doing it. Oh my god, it's right there. Oh.
Shut up. Oh shit! I refuse to die! I refuse to play by your rules, you bitch!
Oh fuck! Great job.
Oh god. Oh no.
This is just like Zelda. Try holding. And then moving, like with the arrow keys. What?
Oh, I didn't move enough.
No, you bounced off the wall.
No. What happens is if you let go.
Oh no.
Okay, I got it. We Gucci. We got this. Oh shit. I wasn't attracted to all four of them.
Yeah. You weren't quite attracted to the other one, so you couldn't control it too well. Oh god. Oh god. What happened? What happened? Oh no, it's happening again!
No!
Oh. Nice try.
Oh, yes.
Oh.
I forgot to hold it.
Oh no. Try not oh god. Try not hugging the wall perfectly.
That's really hard.
Yeah. I would assume that it is, but
that's really fucking
Jesus
hard.
Christ, dude. Every time we think that a level is going to be like, you know,
easy peasy, Japan is evil.
Yeah, this is what happens. Why does this happen to us, man? It's because we pick indie games. Because we play indie games, and indie games are good.
They keep you captivated. Too much.
Yeah.
Like I think this is how you have to do it. Because if you hold it,
Like,
you
like ticking.
Oh, I almost had that. Too much. Okay, one last one, and then I'm gonna go, and then you can finish up the recording.
Where do you have to go?
I was supposed to meet someone.
What am I going to do by myself?
No!
Okay.
This level is too hard. It's pretty hard for.
Oh god. I guess we'll cut the episode short because like it's not like I'm gonna accomplish this on my own. Let's be honest here.
Bye everybody. It was
Yeah.
nice seeing you.
Bye everybody.